Most people know Da Nang for the beaches, but just an hour into the mountains, you'll find waterfalls, fresh spring water, and an adventure you won't forget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take this day trip for yourself. And stick around because I'll share one thing we wish we brought that would have made things way easier. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, and I help families and freedom seekers create an abundant life abroad. Today, we're trading city life for mountain streams with a quick day trip from Da Nang to hidden waterfalls.
Hey, let's go to the waterfalls with me today. We're gonna take a mini trip away from Da Nang. It's only an hour away, and we're all set, and we're gonna head out now.
We decided to rent a motorbike for this trip. It cost us about 300,000 dong, around $12 USD for the day. We already own a bike here in Vietnam, but since it was our first time heading deep into the mountains, we wanted something strong enough for terrain. We met up with some friends and rode together. Honestly, the drive itself is part of the fun. Lush greenery, cool mountain air, and that feeling of leaving the city behind. And then came the tricky part, the last stretch to the fall, met crossing jagged rocks and even a water puddle that looked impossible at first. We thought no way we're getting through this, but the bikes pushed through. It was strong enough, and honestly, it made the ride feel like a real adventure. When you arrive, there's a small area where locals run food stalls. Parking your motorbike here costs just $20,000 dong, less than $1. If you want shade or a base to keep your things, you can also rent a shelter for about 500,000 dong. That's around $20 USD. Perfect if you're with a group or planning to stay for a while. Food is available, and it's pretty affordable. So rather you pack your own snacks or order here, you'll be covered. From there, you hike over some rocks to find the perfect spot to sit and swim.
It's raining now, but it's so beautiful here, and okay, I'm gonna have to do something, hold on.
The water is cool, fresh, and so clear. It's perfect for a family swim or just soaking your feet after the ride. The main waterfall area was actually closed when we visited, but I still got some beautiful drone shots from above. Even without going all the way in, the pools and stream were more than enough for us to spend the day. Now, we still need to cover the best time to visit and what we wish we brought, but before we dive into that, hit that subscribe button if you're dreaming of living abroad or exploring hidden gems like this around Vietnam. The best time to visit is during dry season, roughly March through August. The water is clearer, the rocks are less slippery, and it's safe for kids to swim. Rainy season can make things tricky with stronger currents and muddy roads. Here's what we packed: towels, extra clothes, some snacks, and drinks. That was enough to enjoy the day. But what we really wish we brought were water shoes. Some of the rocks were sharp, and for the kids especially, it would have made swimming so much easier. So take that tip from us. So we swam, ate, and enjoyed a slow afternoon in the mountains before heading back to Da Nang. It's wild how just 1 hour away, you can find this total contrast. Peaceful, refreshing, and so worth the trip. If you want more tips for living and traveling abroad, join my free newsletter where I share relocation guides, family, travel hacks, and behind-the-scenes stories from our life overseas. Links below. And for even more connection, join my free community, the Abundant Living Collective. And that's all for today's video, our day trip from Da Nang to hidden waterfalls. If you love this, check out my other Vietnam travel guides right here. Let's grow, glow, and flourish together.